Hey guys, let's make some bread. First you need 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Then you need 2 1/4 of a teaspoon of yeast. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Add half a cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 3 cups of flour to finish it off. Mix all together, then knead the dough for 15 minutes. After you're done kneading the dough, place into a bowl and cover and let it rise for an hour to an hour and a half. It should look like this. Next, lightly dust your countertop in flour and place your dough on top. In this video, I actually made 4 times the recipe, so I have a little more dough than you will. Next, you need to knead the dough again. Once you have the shape you would like, if you'd like to add some texture to it, this is the time to do that. And then you need to cover again and let it rise. I didn't show this part here, but here's me putting it in the oven, and here's it all done. Bake at 350 for about an hour and a half.